The highest education is that which does not merely gives us information, but makes our life in harmony with existence. This is a quote of Rabindranath Tagore, a poet and one of the architects of independent India. However, we focus on how to make a living and forget to follow how to be in harmony with existence. Fellow men, which is why environmental education is the need of time, equipping ourselves to safekeep our environment for the future generation. Honorable judges, dignitaries, and dear friends, this is Alvin Jose from Vani Vidyalaya Junior College welcoming all of you on this wonderful day. Climate crisis is real, urgent, serious, and growing overnight. According to the former President of America, Mr. Barack Obama, climate change is no longer some far-off problem. It is a problem here, happening now. Yes, friends, it is real. It is not in the future. The question that all of us has is what to do, who to do, and how to do it. Well, it is not about what, how, and who. It is about what can you do as an individual, as a parent, as a teacher, as a student or leader. It is a wide problem that needs to be solved at the highest priority. Dear friends, we hear and watch news of the cruelty towards environment each day. It is catastrophic. It is sad but real. Are we doing enough? Is it possible to reverse it? Or are we contributing to it? My dear audience, you might think all of this is happening elsewhere, but you could check in India too. Once luscious green have now turned into barren and wasteland. Summer temperatures rising, extinction of resources, water bodies getting dried each day. I feel the pain, the remorse, the anger, the loss, the terror, the insecurity as I watch everything around me turning from green to yellow, then brown. According to Desmond Tutu, 25 years ago, people could be excused for not knowing or doing much about environmental change. Today, we have no excuse. The blaming and waiting days are over. We need to act now. Therefore, let's start implementing the 3 R's. Reuse, reduce, and recycle. Let's replant and go green. Let's not be economic oriented and be environmental oriented. Ladies and gentlemen, talks and speeches will not solve the problem, but walk the talk is more effective. Let's change our mindset and set a platform in combating this environmental issue for the next generation. Friends, rather than educating the future generation on what to do to face disaster, we could educate them how to preclude it. This is sure not going to happen if we pretend and wait for others. It is time to unite and move forward and grow together. Now it's time to conquer than being victims and witnesses to devastating earth. System may change, human can change, climate change is to stay here until we do something about it. Let's be more environment oriented and help to restore our Mother Earth. Let me end my talk with a beautiful quote. Environment is no one's property to destroy. It's everyone's responsibility to protect. Thank you.